works. I simply plugging it in to the camera. And yeah, not 100% sure what the right wiring sorted here, but it's a possibility that I have. And the reason why I'm running the camera as I do this is to be able to test the success of my work here. So anyway, that's my little microphone PCB thingy, and let's stop the video and download it to see whether the microphone's working. Hey guys, always tinkering here, and I just wanted to do a little video on what I use to solder and very small things, even though I've only got one functional eye. And I've just finished fixing yet another microphone, because I'm sure you've noticed on my videos my microphones are not all that wonderful, and this one is successful. Most of my microphones come from a period in my life when I was using a Nokia phone, you know, in those old days, the Nokia 5140, and I was going through those clip-on earphone microphone jobbies quite regularly, and me being a hoarder, I never threw any of them away, so I've got a whole drawer full of them, and it seems like I found a new use for them. Anyway, this is my little helping hands kit that I invented. Well, they were invented by somebody else, and I think it's fairly cool because it includes a USB microscope and little banana clips. Oh, I've already done the job, so this is just a demonstration of how things work here. And I've even included some little probes, needle probes, so that I can measure using that. So far I haven't used the probes yet, but the rest of the things that I've used, and it definitely is a useful functional device. Now, me being visually challenged, I use a USB microscope straight through to my screen here, so you know, technology, it works. Yeah, so as you can hear, where's my microphone gone? Oh, I flipped it on here. I forgot I was using it, but I think you can still hear me because it's actually quite good. But whether it works on my bicycle or not, there's the thing. Right, just then.